Hello dear learners. Today we are going to discuss few of the FAQs or repeatedly asked questions from the chapter hypoglycemic drugs, which are also called as anti-diabetic drugs. To start with the first question from hypoglycemic drugs, as we all know, we just first go through the sequence, that is definitions, then classification, then we go towards the drugs and their properties. So first question says that classify hypoglycemic agents with example and give the structure of fenformin. Now for classification of hypoglycemic drugs, if you will see, hypoglycemic agents basically are two classes, insulins and oral hypoglycemics. So the trick to remember the hypoglycemic agents classification, we have a separate video, so you can refer to that. Trick to remember the classification of hypoglycemic agents, wherein you will get the answer for the same question. And the structure of fenformin. Now fenformin is the hypoglycemic agent which belongs to the class biguanides. Okay, so biguanide class है, इसका मतलब दो गुआनिन है. ओके, गुआनिन का स्ट्रक्चर है NH2 C डबल बॉन्ड O NH2. ओके, सो अभी फेनफॉर्मिन जहाँ तक कंसर्न है तो दो गुआनाइड तो है ही, दो गुआनाइड से दो कार्बन्स अटैच्ड है जो कि इथाइल है, and then phenyl is there. So the name is fenformin. Next question is define diabetes mellitus. So for diabetes mellitus also we have separate video for the introduction of type 1 and type 2 diabetes, wherein we have covered the diabetes details. Okay, what is type 1 diabetes, what is type 2 diabetes, what are the types of drugs which are used in treatment of type 2 diabetes, where insulin is used, all these things we have enumerated into that video about the diabetes. Then define hypoglycemic agent. So diabetes क्या है? ये एक metabolic disorder है जिसमें हाइपरग्लाइसेमिया होता है, मतलब ज़्यादा शुगर होता है ब्लड में. एंड हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक ड्रग्स क्या है? हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक ड्रग्स को हम लोग एंटी हाइपरग्लाइसेमिक ड्रग्स भी बोलते हैं. हाइपो मतलब क्या? शुगर को कम करना. एंटी हाइपर मतलब क्या? अगेन कम करना. सो एंटी हाइपरग्लाइसेमिक या फिर हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक बोथ आर वन एंड द सेम, विच आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बाय द जनरल नेम एंटी डायबिटिक ड्रग्स. तो ये ड्रग्स क्या है? देन ब्रांड नेम्स वी हैव, we are supposed to go through the brand names of all these drugs like metformin, fenformin, which are from the class biguanides. Then glibenclamide, which is also known by the name glyburide, which belongs to the class sulfonylurease of oral hypoglycemic drugs. So if you look into the brands, okay, सो जैसे कि फेनफॉर्मिन बिलोंग करता है बाइगुआनाइड क्लास को, उसके ब्रांड्स भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सुक्रेनोज, डाइफॉर्मिन, बिस्लिम, DBI, ऐसे सब ब्रांड्स है मेटफॉर्मिन फेनफॉर्मिन के. ओके, सेम वे मेटफॉर्मिन ऑल्सो इट इज़ देयर, फॉर्मिनाल, फॉर्मिन इज़ देयर, मेटचेक इज़ देयर, डायबेटा SR इज़ देयर. So these are very important from the part of brand name. Okay, then glibenclamide is as far as it is concerned, which is glyburide, and the brands of glibenclamide are glucosafe. Okay, then euglucan, codica, diabeta, etc. Then in what, next question is in what dosage form following drugs are administered, and write down the uses of insulin. Like the insulin ka you are supposed to write down the uses. So we have a separate video on insulin, complete insulin we have covered into that. And the dosage forms of insulin includes various injectable preparations with combinations, like wherein you will find the details in that video. Next question is give the structure and chemical name of fenformin and chlorpropamide. So as we have already discussed that fenformin belongs to the class biguanide, and it is having a very simple chemical name, that is phenyl ethyl biguanide. Phenyl is on the second carbon, so it is 2-phenyl ethyl biguanide, and the biguanide is present at the first carbon, so it is 1 biguanide and 2-phenyl ethyl, this way. Then फेनफॉर्मिन है तो इट इज़ फिनाइल डेफिनेटली है, बाइगोएनाइड क्लास से है तो ये बाइगोएनाइड कंटेन करता है. Then if you will look into the other name, that is chlorpropamide, which belongs to the class sulfonyl urease, wherein sulfonyl urea, sulfonyl is SO2, okay, urea NH2 C double bond O NH2, so SO2 and urea structure is combined, so it is sulfonyl urease. And since it is chlorpropa, so it is chlorine attached to phenyl and propane for propa, so it is chlorpropamide. Then you will find the separate videos on the structures of the same. The next question is, give the stability, storage and official preparations of insulin. Again, as I told you earlier, we have a separate video on the insulin, so you can refer back to that video for details of insulin. Next question is, draw the structure of the given IUPAC name. Now, to find out the name of the drug from the IUPAC, there is a great trick. Like, first we are supposed to look into the suffixes. If you look into the second name, like it is biguanide, so definitely it is from the biguanide class. And since two examples are there, fenformin, metformin, so there is no methyl, so it is not definitely a metformin. It is only phenyl, so it is fenformin. So you can identify it like that way. And again, if you look into the suffix of the first IUPAC, it is sulfonyl urease. So definitely it is some drug which is belonging to the class sulfonyl urease. अभी sulfonyl urease को belong करने वाले बहुत से examples है. टोलब्यूटामाइड है, ओके, क्लोरप्रोपामाइड है, ग्लिबेनक्लामाइड है. तो इसमें से कौन सा है, हाउ यू विल आइडेंटिफाई? सो लुक इन टू द अर्लियर पार्ट विच इज क्लोरोबेंजीन. सो इट इज क्लोरीन अटैच टू बेंजीन, सो इट इज डेफिनेटली ग्लिबेनक्लामाइड, क्लोरप्रोपामाइड, टोलब्यूटामाइड से है क्लोरप्रोपामाइड, सिंस द नेम कंटेन्स क्लोरीन. So this way you can easily identify the names of the drugs if the IUPAC is given. Very first and foremost condition is the suffix and then the substituents. Next question is, what is diabetes mellitus? Name the 3 oral hypoglycemics and give the properties, structure, uses of any one. Now, what is diabetes mellitus? Again, as I explained you earlier, there are separate videos on each of these part. Then oral hypoglycemic classification, trick to remember the classification, again separate video is there. And any one oral hypoglycemic, you are supposed to give the properties, structure and uses. So you can take any one, like you, for example, you can take chlorpropamide or fenformin, which is again very important, so you can take that also and you can elaborate on that. So with this we finish with the repeatedly asked questions, and to summarize the questions, first it is definition of diabetes along with the hypoglycemic agents, then the classification of hypoglycemic agents, it is there, then properties, uses and official preparations of insulin as well as any oral hypoglycemic drug they have asked till now. Then brand names are important of that of metformin, fenformin, glibenclamide, which we have discussed in the earlier part of the video. Then uses of again other oral hypoglycemic agents along with the insulin are there. Again, a short note on insulin comes wherein each and every aspect of insulin is being asked along with the preparations, stability, storage, brand names, etc. And the structure, two structures are really very important, chlorpropamide and fenformin. Along with them, tolbutamide is also important. So with this, we finish with the repeatedly asked questions from the chapter hypoglycemic drug, which is also known by the name anti-diabetic drug or anti-hyperglycemic drugs. Thank you and stay tuned with us for the further series of repeatedly asked questions. Thank you.